We are stocking up on a ton of paper products and laundry products this week at Walgreens. So if that is something that you need, this is definitely the video for you. So stay tuned till the end. Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. I have an all digital coupon haul for you guys this week at Walgreens. So all you have to do is check your account, see if you have these digital coupons, and you too can stock up on a ton of different products. I have amazing razor deals to share with you, quite a few Ibotta rebates, and of course a bunch of household deals. So laundry, we're grabbing some Gain, and paper towels or toilet paper. I did toilet paper because these paper towels are from my Publix haul that I did. I posted it on my TikTok, so if you want to see how you can grab the 6 equals 12 rolls, I grabbed 6 packs. Final cost was like $15.71. So definitely check that out. If you don't follow me on TikTok, I share even more deals and different stores than I do here on my YouTube channel. And if you're new to YouTube with me, take a second and hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe, and I would love to have you as part of the channel. My channel is all about helping you reach financial freedom, from saving more money with couponing and making money online. So I'd love to have you. In the description box, I also provide a printable breakdown. So that'll be below for you with a ton of different deals that you can do. So figure out what deals you need and you can do those deals as well. So let's pop into Walgreens so I can break it down for you step by step exactly how to save on all of these products. The first deal I want to share with you guys is on Gillette Labs. So my store is out of the cheaper version, but this is what you would do. They are spend $25, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So I would grab this one for $17.99. I do have an $8 digital coupon. It is an only for you digital coupon, which means not every account is going to have it, unfortunately. Then you can grab one of these down here for $7.99. That'll bring you to $25.98. So we're right above the $25 mark, so we'll be good to go. Then after that coupon, you'll pay $17.98, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, makes your final cost $7.98 for both products, or about $3.99 a piece, which I personally think is a really good deal. Now remember, this is a spend deal giving back Walgreens cash, so you would not be able to pay with Walgreens cash or store register rewards on this promotion. The other razor deal is on Gillette and Venus, which is buy 2, get $8 in Walgreens cash. So grab one of the razors that are $13. We have a $3 off one digital coupon for this. Then you're gonna grab a Venus razor. So the cheapest one is the smooth that my store is out of again, or you can grab one of the ones that are $11. Of course, just adjust your math accordingly. But if you grab the one that's $9.99, clip the $3 off one digital coupon. So just for showing you guys something, I'm just gonna hold this one, but understand my math is based off of this one here. So we have 2 razors here. We have $6 in coupons. You'll pay $16.99 plus taxes out of pocket. This is a buy deal, so you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your cost. Then you'll get back an $8 register reward, makes it $8.99 for 2 products or $4.49 a piece. We've definitely gotten it way cheaper at CVS, but it's still not a bad deal considering the original price of these products. So if you need it, definitely grab it. The third razor deal you can do is on Cremo. Let me know in the comments if you like this razor, if it's something that you grab. I would do this deal online because it is cheaper. It's $17.99 online, so I would do this for curbside pickup. Then check your account for a $6 digital coupon. So if you're grabbing this online at $17.99, you'll pay $11.99 out of pocket, but then submit to Ibotta for $8 back. The limit is 1. That makes your final cost $3.99 for a razor. So that's even cheaper than both of the other deals that I shared with you so far. Another deal I would recommend doing online instead is on the Calm or the Nourish baby wipes from Huggies. So if you have a baby on the way, or if you're going to a baby shower, this is a great deal to stock up on. Put it in a nice little baby shower gift basket. So online they're 2 for $16, so it saves you an additional $2. Then I have a $2 off 2 only for you digital coupon, so not everyone's gonna have that. There's also the 3 off 2 Walgreens store digital coupon. That'll make your final cost online for curbside pickup 2 for $11 or $5.50 a piece. The diaper deal this week that's really good is on Pampers. So these are also included in the deal of the week. So if you're doing the Pampers, then do the Olay in a separate transaction. That way the register rewards will print for you. So for the Pampers, they are 2 for $21. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $18 out of pocket. Get back the $4 register reward, makes them 14 for 2 or $7 a piece. At CVS this week, you can grab them for like $6.86 a piece. So it's a little bit cheaper and you wind up grabbing 4 packs, but completely up to you. Definitely check out my CVS haul if you want to look at that breakdown or if CVS is a better deal for you this week. And if you need help learning how to find deals and put together deals on products that you need, make sure you take a second and reserve your seat to my free live masterclass. I'll be teaching it live this Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So mark your calendars or put an alarm on your phone like I always do. There will be a Q&A at the end as well. So that'll be linked below in the description box, or you can click the card in the top right-hand corner, and I would love to have you there. For deodorant, the best deal is on Tom's of Maine, either the men's or the women's. They're $4.99. Buy 1, get $3 in Walgreens cash. We also have a $1 off 1 digital coupon. Makes it just 99 cents. So you can do this deal in store or online. It's going to be the same price point. With Mother's Day still around the corner, there's a deal on Mother's Day cards, and look what I see here. So anyone can do this deal, $4 off of 2 Hallmark cards that are priced at $2 or more per card. There are some cards at my section that are $2.99. So if you grab 2 of the cards that are $2.99 for Mother's Day, use that 4 off 2 coupon that is readily available for you guys right here in the store. Your final cost will be just 99 cents a piece, which is a really, really great deal. It's super cheap, so make sure you pick up a card for your mom. Okay, so I was just looking at which cards that I'm going to go ahead and grab because I actually have a 5 off 2 Hallmark digital, so that'll make my final cost, I can't do the math in my head all of a sudden, 49 cents a piece. Anyway, but look, I feel like they've never had ones like this previously, or maybe I've just never seen them. Let me know in the comments. So they have one from your dog, which I love because obviously I'm a dog mom. And then they have this one for a bonus mom. That is so sweet because I'm a bonus mom for Riley. So look how cute. And they have some for grandparents as well, sisters. Love the variety. The next deal we're gonna do is on laundry. So it's buy 4, get a $5 register reward. You see the tag right here, but Gain products are included. So I'm running low on dryer sheets. I'm gonna grab this one here for $5.49. I do have a $1 off 1 digital coupon, or you could grab this one instead. The digital coupon works on both. Then I'm going to grab a Gain Flings for $5.49 and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. The last product, or not the last, the third product we're going to grab is the Gain Liquid, $5.49. There is another separate $1 off 1 digital coupon, so make sure you have all 3 of them clipped. Now we need to buy 4 products to get back the register reward, so let's head over to the paper product aisle. The last product I'm going to grab is the Charmin because I'm almost out of toilet paper. It's $5.49. There's no coupons. The other thing you could grab would be the Bounty Essentials, but I just grabbed 6 6-count Scott paper towels from Publix, which was an incredible deal. I posted it on TikTok, so if you haven't checked it out, definitely do so. So I'm fully stocked on paper towels, so that's why I'm going to grab the toilet paper, but grab whichever one works best for you. So these are the 4 products that I'm going to go ahead and grab. Total is $21.96. We have $3 in digital coupons. You can pay with any register rewards or anything that you have as well to further lower your out-of-pocket cost. But just with the coupons, you'll pay $18.96, get back the $5 register reward, makes it $13.96 for 4 products, or about $3.24 a piece. I don't think that's a bad deal. I do have a register reward that I'm going to be using as well, so I'm definitely going to grab this. Another great deal on toilet paper if you want a cheaper one. These are on sale for just $1.99. I did see, excuse me, online there is a discount code WAG20 where you get an additional 20% off of select Walgreens brand products. So it works on this as well. So if you grab it online for curbside pickup, it'll be even cheaper, but I think that's a really great deal. An easy toothpaste deal that you can do, now it's not the best deal in my opinion, but if you really like Arm & Hammer, these are on sale for $2.99. I didn't see any digital coupons, but you can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back. Makes one of these just $1.49. The limit on the Ibotta rebate is 5, so you can definitely stock up if you need this product. The next deal is on Glade. It has to be the 8.3 ounce can though. They are $2.79 regularly priced, but you can submit to the coupons app, you'll get $1 cash back. And you can submit to Ibotta, you'll get $1 cash back. Makes it only 79 cents. You can also grab one of these Finish Quantums for $5.49, submit to the coupons app, you'll get $2 cash back, and submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back, makes it $2.49. The better deal is at Walmart, but it depends if your store is in stock, because mine wasn't in stock last week, and if you have the $5 back on 2 Ibotta rebate. So definitely check your accounts. It's always good to figure out and compare what store is going to have the best deal on the products that you need. And another toilet paper deal you can grab is on the Cottonelle. So these 9 = 36 rolls are $10. What I would do is this deal if you have the 20% off Catalina, because that Catalina or register reward counts for non-sale price items, and these are full priced. So that would save you about $4. Then check to see if you have this 4 off 2 only for you digital coupon. That would take you off another $4, making your final cost $12 for 2 or $6 per pack. So that's 40% savings right there. So I think I'm gonna add them to my cart, do my other transaction first, see if it prints. If it does, I'll do the deal. If not, then I'm gonna put them back. Okay, it must really be my lucky day because last week I needed the 20% off to print and it did, and I was able to use it. This week I did my first transaction, got back my register reward, and look what printed, 20% off. So I came back, I'm gonna do this deal, and this will be my second transaction. So we are back inside from Walgreens. It is definitely my lucky day today. It's gonna be an amazing week, an amazing Monday. All my digital coupons came off. Then, so when I get to the register, the cashier is super nice. I always ask, hey, are there any spend boosters that anyone left around that I can use? I just ask them. At the end of the day, what's the worst they can do? Say no, or that they don't have any? Okay, then I'm in the same boat. So I asked her and she had 2 available. A spend 40, get 10, and a spend 25, get 7. Well, my first transaction, I had over $25 worth of products. So I was like, oh, perfect, we'll use this. I wasn't gonna pay with any Walgreens cash anyway. I had a manufacturer register reward to use to lower my cost. So that was incredible. I got back another $7 in Walgreens cash. Then, like I shared with you in the video, I wanted the 20% off to print. It printed. So then I was able to do that deal, roll my rewards, keep my out-of-pocket costs as low as possible, which is always the name of the game. I like to try to keep my out-of-pocket super low. So let me share with you the deals that I did. I didn't do that many. I shared with you more deals in the video, of course, but I didn't need those products and I didn't have enough rewards to make my out-of-pocket costs low, so I skipped on them. So always make sure that you're doing deals that you need. So I grabbed the Gain and the Charmin and the Hallmark cards. Here's the $8 manufacturer register reward that I used. Here's that point booster as well that she scanned. Then the $1 gain, $1 gain, $1 gain, 5 off 2 for the Hallmark. Paid $11.94 plus taxes out of pocket. Got back, so it doesn't show on the bottom of this receipt. I don't know why some receipts don't do that, but like you see here, I did get back the $7. I got $7.27 back in Walgreens cash. The 20% off booster printed. And then I also got another one. The $5 register reward printed as well. And I got this one, a $4 coupon for Persil. And it doesn't say a certain size, it just says any one Persil detergent. So this lasts until the end of June, so I'm hoping we get that Persil deal, I'm sure we will by then, where it's like buy 2, get $2 in Walgreens cash and they're $5.99. Hopefully we'll get some another digital or something, but that's gonna be a really good deal. So I'm gonna hang on to that one and put it in my coupon binder. Then this also printed, $5 off of 2 Revlon tools. So I thought that was a good one as well. Okay, then I went back in the store and because I didn't want to have to like go back and put them back, I was like, if I get it, I'll go back and grab the the Cottonelle. So I just went back, I grabbed one of each different kind, used the 20% off, took off $2 each, used the $5 register reward that printed from my first transaction. It was a manufacturer register reward. I just rolled it right away. Here's the 4 off 2 for the Cottonelle. That was the digital coupon. Paid $7 plus taxes for both of them. So they cost 20 bucks, regularly priced. I wound up paying $7 plus taxes out of pocket for those. I think that's an incredible deal. And like I said, we are fully stocked up now on paper towels. I like the Scott brand. I think they work fine. So I have 6 of those now. So I have plenty of those. We were running a little low on toilet paper. So I was able to grab 1 Charmin and 2 Cottonelle today. So that's perfect. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. And don't forget to reserve your seat to my free masterclass. Let me help you learn the steps to find deals on the products that you need. That way you can save money on all the stuff that you buy instead of just the free oral care that we get. We actually didn't get any this week, but 9 times out of 10, we can get free oral care. But you're buying hundreds more items than just oral care. So I want to make sure that I can help you find deals on all of those products every single week. So definitely reserve your seat for that. I'm so excited to do it live again. Haven't done that in a couple months, and I like to be able to do the Q&A at the end and just kind of connect with you guys, help you with anything you're struggling with, and answer your questions. So bring a notepad, bring any questions that you have, and that way I can help you. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you next time.